So in the earlier lecture, we were talking about copying and pasting, cutting and pasting data. And in passing, I showed you how to insert a new worksheet. Right down at the bottom of our screen, in the newer releases of Excel, you got the little plus sign that you can get to. In the earlier releases, like 2007 and earlier, it's not a plus sign, but it looks like a little star, sun icon, kind of orangey yellow looking. You click on that, you insert a new sheet. You can also, if I right-click a sheet, you get loads of options in the right-click menu, and one of them is to be able to insert. So you can just right-click the little tab down at the bottom, the worksheet tab, and you can insert from there as well. Now, there were a number of other options in there as well. One of them that I want to talk about here is renaming a worksheet. Right, by default, you add a new worksheet and Excel automatically creates the new worksheet, and you get something called sheet 1 or sheet 2 or sheet 3 and 4 or 5 and so on. You can have loads of worksheets in here. We talked about that way earlier. It used to be like 255 worksheets per workbook, but in the more recent editions of Excel, Microsoft bumped that up. You don't really want a load of worksheets. You don't want thousands of worksheets in a workbook because it'll really slow it down. It'll take forever to open. But it's all based on the memory of your computer and the performance of your computer that it can really handle more and more worksheets now. But renaming sheets, really simple to do. You want to keep them organized, right? Give them names that are relevant to the content that's found within that worksheet and makes it easier to find. So really simply, if I want to rename a worksheet, I just double click the worksheet tab. So sheet 1, I want to call that monthly budget. So I'll double click, monthly budget, hit my enter key, and I've now renamed that sheet. Sheet 2, this is the one that we were cutting and pasting to. And I'll call this, let's just call this copy exercise. So I just double click, start typing, hit your enter key. You've now renamed the sheet. Again, I like shortcuts, so double clicking the tabs is quick and easy to do. You can also right click and you'll have an option in there for rename. I'm going to give you the same option. If I select rename, you just start typing, hit your enter key, you're done. But renaming your worksheets. It's something small, it's quick and easy to do, something that we commonly overlook, and really give some thought to it. This would be similar to creating folders on your computer, right? You got to name those folders something that's intuitive, something that gives descriptive information to our users without being too wordy in there, like I'm doing right now. Just rename your sheets. All right, let's jump into the next lecture.